There's two things to be said about this. One is that according to Enoch, you have the offspring, the Nephilim, when they're killed, the physical part dies. The immaterial part is referred to by Enoch as a watcher. Now you could extrapolate from that and say, if they're a watcher, and 4 chapters later Enoch says that they can take any form they wish, you put that together and you essentially have the new generation of watchers able to do what the old ones did. The other thing to be said for that is in Genesis 6:4, when it says there were Nephilim on the earth in those days and after, the grammar there, it really should be translated, there were Nephilim on the earth in those days whenever the sons of God cohabited with human women. It's always dangerous to base a doctrine on a conjunction, but it implies that it's ongoing.